What's up, guys? Today's video covers the best outdoor pizza oven. If you love pizza but want to cut down on the ordering cost, you can make the pizza right in your backyard or patio. But you'll need the best outdoor pizza oven to do so. So consider adding the best outdoor pizza oven to your outdoor kitchen. We've reviewed some incredible outdoor pizza ovens with incredible performance. More information is in the links in the description below. Also, check out more videos on our YouTube channel, Consumer Sherpa, for information on the best home products. Here are the top 5 picks for the best outdoor pizza ovens. Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven. To begin with, this Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven has stainless steel construction for the extra durability and toughness. As a result, it'll offer exceptional performance over the years. Even though this outdoor pizza oven is made of heavy-duty stainless steel, it is still small because the legs fold up. Additionally, this outdoor pizza oven features a door with a handle. It also features a removable fuel tray that you can stock with wood pellets. Also inside this outdoor pizza oven is a 12-inch square pizza stone for your Neapolitan-style pizza. What's more, this unit also comes with an ashtray and a poker. And the best part is that it requires no tools to assemble, and the included user manual will help you immensely. So that means it comes with the benefit of ease of assembly. After loading it with wood pellets and lighting it up, it takes 18 minutes to be hot and ready. You can then cook your pizza in less than 2 minutes. And this is possible because this pizza oven reaches temperatures of up to 860 degrees Fahrenheit. This outdoor pizza oven is also versatile as it cooks other foods besides pizza. Whether you also enjoy a mouth-watering steak with juicy flavors or you love crispy chicken wings with a delicious crust, this pizza oven can prepare such meals. But this unit remains the best outdoor pizza oven for Neapolitan-style pizza. So you want to buy it if this is the pizza you enjoy most. It is portable and weighs 25 pounds. Also, it's easy to take apart for easy cleaning. However, it doesn't come with a pizza peel. But still, it's a terrific outdoor pizza oven that you can move anywhere to meet the demands of any festive gathering. RoccBox Gozney Portable Outdoor Pizza Oven. This RoccBox Gozney outdoor pizza oven is truly portable, allowing you to take it anywhere since it's built for adventure. This unit is small and easy to put up in the trunk for a weekend trip because it only weighs 50 pounds and has legs that fold up. What's more, it comes in a handy carry case to make it even more portable. Aside from portability, this outdoor pizza oven is professional grade. Its high-quality construction contributes to the professional grade rating. But the perfectly balanced base for a puffed-up pizza with a charred artisan crust is a big reason for this rating. Also, the built-in thermometer makes this unit professional grade, as it takes the guesswork out of cooking. This unit also has a thick stone floor and excellent insulation to maintain heat at 950 degrees Fahrenheit. And because of this incredible amount of heat, a pizza takes only 60 seconds to cook to perfection. While cooking pizza is fun and satisfying, safety also matters. And quite frankly, this unit provides safety as it's cool to the touch. It features an outer silicone skin that prevents skin burns. Even though this outdoor pizza oven uses gas to function, it could also use wood as its fuel. It comes with a gas burner, but you can buy a detachable wood burner separately as an additional accessory. So it's either gas or wood-fueled, which provides an option if one fuel type is unavailable. The featured baffle plate is innovative in delivering a rolling flame that heats the oven door uniformly, resulting in an evenly cooked pizza. Also detachable is the burner to add portability. The pizza oven beats the competition in performance. It also includes a professional-grade pizza peel. However, some users have reported that the pizza stone isn't durable and might crack in 6 months. Camp Chef Italia Artisan Pizza Oven. The Camp Chef Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven allows you to enjoy artisan-style pizza right on your patio or backyard. Every feature of this outdoor pizza oven has the same ingenuity as the wood-fired brick ovens of Italy. First, this unit is double-walled to enhance heating dynamics, producing the same results as a wood-fired brick oven. The Koda ceramic pizza stone that comes with this pizza oven also helps it work so well. The double-layered construction makes sure this pizza oven preheats in just 15 minutes. Also, this unit features a built-in micro-adjust valve for efficiently controlling the flame. At the same time, this pizza oven features a built-in thermostat for keeping the internal heat temperature in check. The ventilated oven door also provides excellent heat circulation for a perfectly crispy crust and topping on your artisan-style pizza. But overall, The stainless steel construction makes this pizza oven worth the investment since it is sturdy and durable. Also, this construction material makes cleaning your pizza oven fast and effortless. But this pizza oven runs on propane gas, so you want to get a 1-pound disposable propane bottle. It includes a regulator and a 5-foot-long hose if you're going to connect it to a standard bulk propane tank. Connecting your outdoor pizza oven to a propane tank produces 17,000 BTUs per hour. You can cook your meal at temperatures as high as 700 degrees Fahrenheit due to the high heat output performance. Besides cooking pizza, this outdoor oven also cooks bread and roast steak cuts. Therefore, it is another best outdoor pizza oven for versatility. Ooni Koda Outdoor Pizza Oven. The Ooni Koda 12 is the perfect addition to any outdoor kitchen. It is not only ready to cook right out of the box as it requires no assembly, but it's also portable, allowing you to carry it to any outdoor party. What's more, it is compact enough to fit even tiny outdoor spaces. That means you can place it on your patio or backyard to take your pizza game outdoors. The 100% waterproof Ooni Koda carry cover that comes with the pizza oven protects it from rain, snow, and from other bad weather. At the same time, this item guarantees portability. More convenience comes from the featured gas ignition built into this pizza oven. The built-in gas ignition means you can have instant flame for your Neapolitan-style pizza. Also, this unit features a control dial for adjusting the flame. This pizza oven for the outdoor space produces extreme heat, resulting in excellent cooking. Combine this extreme heat with the excellent steel shell insulation, and you get an outdoor pizza oven that's ready in 15 minutes. We've already seen that firing up this unit requires you only to turn on the gas ignition dial. Since gas provides the fuel for this unit, you'll have the ultimate convenience of cooking pizza in the outside space. The extreme heat performance makes sure the inside of your oven has a temperature that reaches 950 degrees Fahrenheit. As a result, this outdoor pizza oven takes only 60 seconds to cook your Neapolitan-style pizza. While your pizza cooks, this unit makes sure it has a flame-cooked flavor, as this pizza oven uses rolling flames to cook. And this rolling flame cooking is made possible by a patented device inside the pizza oven that keeps the flame going. In addition to cooking pizza, this outdoor oven can also cook various meals such as meat, pork, fish, and vegetables. Therefore, it is a versatile outdoor gas-powered oven. Unfortunately, this unit might burn your 13-inch pizza, especially on a high heat setting. Geras Outdoor Pizza Oven. Right off the bat, this Geras Outdoor Pizza Oven kit features high-quality stainless steel that's also heat-resistant, making it very durable. Also, this unit comes pre-assembled to get it started almost immediately after unboxing it. And since it features a built-in thermometer, it takes the guesswork out, allowing your pizza to cook perfectly. Opting for this product gets you a stainless steel-made pizza oven, a 15-inch ceramic stone, and a 14 by 12-inch foldable pizza peel. The pizza oven fits most charcoal grills, but even gas grills and propane-powered grills work fine. Therefore, you can turn your barbecue grill into a professional-grade outdoor pizza oven if you choose this product. At least this allows you to enjoy delicious wood-fired pizza cooked in this pizza oven in your backyard during one of those weekend parties. In addition to high-quality construction, this pizza oven has a high-temperature powder coating technology for unmatched durability and performance. The included aluminum pizza steel accessory will also last. Durability aside, this unit delivers exceptional cooking results. It makes a homemade pizza with a tasty crust. And that's because the Weber Grill Pizza Stone ensures heat enters your pizza evenly as the Koda stone absorbs steam from the dough. And this leaves your pizza soft and teasing your taste buds with a tasty and crispy crust. Cleaning is also convenient and effortless. This unit features a lid with a handle for easy use and cleaning. Plus, it comes backed with a 2-year warranty. Therefore, it has all the features you need to make a professional pizza. The only drawback is the built-in thermostat, which seems not to work efficiently. Sometimes, this results in a burnt pizza. The best outdoor pizza oven reaches temperatures of upwards of 900 degrees Fahrenheit to cook your pizza expertly in less than 2 minutes. And the best part is that you'll make the pizza right on your doorstep. So if you love weekend parties and want to feed your guests, you'll need the best outdoor pizza oven to feed your guests.